So I've come down to the fuse box. I've been doing some digging, and I've got my trusty old circuit tester up. So I've done a video on this one. So have a look at my my stuff, and you'll probably find it. If not, then I'll try and put a link on it. But the fuse for this is F21, which is numbered there, which is a 30 amp fuse. So what I'm going to do, it's really sunny today, so I don't know if you're going to see it. So I'm testing that, test both sides, so yeah, red, positive. I've got the key on as well, just to make sure, so that's positive as well. So fuse is fine, so no problems there. So it's time to move on. So the next step is to check the relays. I've got all these relays here, and I don't know which one's which. So what I'm going to do is just sort of process of elimination, really. So what I'm going to do is just put some stuff on, like window wipers. So I can feel these two go in. These are the window wiper ones. One of them, yeah. So they're window wipers. What else is there? Let's try indicators. That's this grey one here. There's a grey one up here, so that's that. But what I'm looking at is, let's turn that off. This one seems different than all the other ones. So can't see what that one is. There's three more down here as well, and I've had a dig around. I don't think they're to do with it, but let's pull this one out. Well, I must admit, when I pulled that out, it had a lot of grime around it. This is not. This looks like it's been replaced in the past as well. Made in Italy. So all the other ones are made in France. So let's give it a clean off. It's got a bit of this, because when I pull that out, a load of shit came out with it. Let's have a look. Don't know if you can see that. I'll try and move you in. You can see the orange. There. Might well be a genuine. Let's get it sorted out. So let's give it a clean. So that seems to be. Let's try that. It's a 5-pin one. Oh, hang on. Got movement. That's funny, isn't it? Whoa. We've got blower, we've got AC. We've got circulation as well, so everything's back on. There you go, the relay. So I think I'm going to test that relay and see if it's actually up to the job. So I don't know whether it's just had crap all over it or what. Oh. You know what, I'm going to try my relay tester on it and see if it's see what that does with it. I think I'm going to do that. Alright, I'll be back with you in a minute. So what I'm going to do now, I've got my little relay tester. It's a 5-pin relay, 12 volt. So I'm just going to put it in there. See if it tests it. Ooh, that's gone to red. So that, my friends, seems to be the problem. Let's try it. So it does it the first time and it goes to red. So we have, seems to have a failed relay. So I think I'm going to replace it, get a new one and take it from there. See how we get on. So that's pretty much it, ladies and gents. I've been through everything. We got as far as the relay, which I'm really glad about, because I didn't really feel like taking anything else apart. It means taking off panels and all sorts of stuff, and it turned out to be this bad boy, which is the heater, fan, central AC, everything involved relay. So I haven't got one. I'm going to go and get one. I've got a 4-pin, but I haven't got a 5-pin. So I'm probably going to go and get a genuine one if I can. That's what it is. I'm not sure if this is a genuine one. It's an old car, probably not. But it's yeah, it's seen better days, and my trusty old tester, which is this, it deems it not consistent, so it starts off okay, but then it's goes into red and it won't work after that. So I'm going to put it back in. It's got, you know, there is a heater there, but chances are it's going to go off again, and I'm going to get a new one and replace it. But you know, I hope this helps. I mean, I don't know how far you're expecting me to go with it, but I'm glad we got as far as the relay. It's good to have a wiring diagram with you, so you know what you're looking for. You know, we had a ignition on, fuse box, relay, resistor, and then you're going into the actual blower and everything as well. So we had a diagram, told us where to go, and that's a job done. That's a good DIY job. That hasn't cost me any money. It's going to cost me the price of a relay. I'm just going to put this back in now. You know, and that's pretty much it, really. I mean, I don't know what it's like inside, but yeah, that's it. That's it. See if it works again. Yeah, it's working now, but my chances are it probably won't. It's not working properly inside. It's got it back on, but it'll probably fail again. So hopefully this helps you, and thanks for watching.